So, what is your name?
My name is Prafful.
Prafful. Prafful, so give me a brief introduction about yourself.
My name is Prafful and my father's name is Mr. Rajas Kumar Gautam.
Mhm.
Basically, I'm from Rio, Madhya Pradesh. About my qualification, I had completed my graduation in year 2014-02, and then I have completed my full stack development certification from ProSkill Hub Riva, and I'm working as a front-end React developer at ProSkill Hub and IT Solution.
So, what have you done in your
About my
graduation?
family, I have completed my graduation in year 2020-22.
What have you done? क्या किया?
I have completed a BSc Math.
Okay. Okay. After that,
After that, I'm joined up ProSkill Hub and create a IT solution.
so what are the languages you are proficient in? What are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
Mm, and as a front-end developer, I'm covered a HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. And as a framework in JavaScript, I covered a React.Js
Mhm.
and Bootstrap, jQuery, TNTD tabs, etc.
Okay. So, why did you choose IT as your career, Prafful?
There are more opportunities than other sectors.
Other sectors, okay. So, have you made any project in this whole course during your full stack development certification or during your internship?
As a front-end developer,
Uh-huh.
I create a unused website clone
Uh-huh.
similar to Daring Bhaskar and Lalat Talk.
Okay, you have worked on a new website clone, which is similar to Dainik Bhaskar, right? Okay. So, what are the functionalities you've added? How it all started?
First, I first we discuss it. First we discuss it how to see user interfaces
Mhm.
for a user, and other than I create a navbar, provide a router in React. Router is a technique. Router is a technique in React. It's provide a way to change our page without refresh and reload a page, and they optimize the time. And other than create a slider and create a menu functionalities like a sport. You click a sport news, sports, provide us sports news, and latest news, provide us latest news. Same as a creator, sports, entertainment, country, world, and entertainment, financial, business, etc.
Okay. So, everybody has some way of working, right? What is your way of
Yes, sir.
working? Matlab, you just jump into making something, you just jump into making websites, or just plan it up first, write it down on paper first, and then start working on it. What is your way of
Yes.
working?
My way to provide a bar
Uh-huh.
and a
I'm not talking
personality.
about that. I'm just talking about your way of working. How do you work? How do you start? How do you plan it up?
जरा हिंदी बोलिए.
कैसे प्लान करते हो आप? कैसे स्टार्ट करते हो?
First, we discuss it user. Sorry, our customer. How to your implementations, expectations. What's the user interfaces, and what an easier way to sorry, easier way to user use it.
Okay, so Praful, what are your hobbies?
I love to play cricket.
Mhm.
As a web developer, I read about new technologies I'm working on it
Hmm.
and self update.
Okay. So what are the new technologies you have researched recently?
Yes.
What are the new technologies you have researched recently? कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजीज में recently आपने रिसर्च की?
In React, I am recently researcher ANTD tabs. ANTD is a library that provides a simple create web.
Okay. So did you use ANTD library in any of your projects?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And create a Zomato website clone. Uh, Create a way
So how
and
ANTD
router
helps in you?
types.
Okay. How ANTD works or helps you in your projects? So why
It
did you
is
learn ANTD?
because ANTD because user ANTD. My college is also easy and reduce the time.
Reduce the time for what?
It's provided easy. Huh. Yes, sure. The main reason is a user library to reduce the time. I create any first like a similar A to Z parts. I have a more times. Explain us. Create a simple function.
Okay. What are
But
your strengths?
create a I'm punctual to work. I have a good patience, self-updated and self-motivated person.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
My English was not good, but I'm working on it. I read about a, I read about new words. I read, I read about on Google Internet. Pick up a new words and implement this in our daily conversation.
So what is React?
React is a front-end and open source JavaScript library aimed framework for building user interfaces. It allows us to create a single page application. React is used to create a larger complex website in small parts of components.
Okay.
React
What
is
is
also created by Meta and Meta community.
okay? So what is the difference between functional and class component?
Uh, Functional components and class components both are provides a way to create the components. After that, in React, we provide a first class component and functional components. Class component are stateful components, and functional components, stateless components.
What are React hooks?
React hooks in React, it allows us to create a side effects and fetch a data and directly updated a virtual DOM. Directly updated a virtual DOM.
Okay.
Use state hook and use effect, use ref, use memo, use effect, sorry, use state hook in React. It allows us to perform our component effects like a change of color and store a data and use effect hook in React is allowed to create a side effects, perform a side effects like a fetching data, a directly updated DOM and manipulated DOM, fetch a data in API
Okay.
and store a data local storage
Okay. What is
and
Axios?
Axios is a HTTP child client side library, use of to fetch a data, use of use effect hook.
Okay. Prafful, what is the salary expectation?
I'm looking at 6 LPA, but we discuss at what's corporate expectations.
So are you comfortable to relocate in different city?
Yes, sure.
Okay, have you ever visited Indore before?
I have a but Indore is good, easy, and
Okay. So why do you want to switch the company?
yes, sir.
Why do you want to switch
Can
the
you speak?
company?
I have sometimes just to 10 5 days, 10 to 5 days.
Okay, done.